Hello guys, it's your boy Rocklight, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your sky in Davinci Resolve. So yeah, first of all, you open your Davinci Resolve, you import your file. So I'll be using a video which I've already color graded, but yet we're going to change the sky. So you upload your file into Davinci Resolve and you head over to the color page. Then you right click and create a new node, a new connector node. Once you click that node, you drag and link it to your layer node. You go to your color picker and you click on the first one, then you click on the sky. You can see that our sky has been selected, but you still have to refine your selection and make it perfect. But for this tutorial, we are not going to waste time on that. Go to your effects and search for sky replacement. Drag your sky replacement to this line here and make sure it syncs. After doing that, click on the blue button and connect it to your connector node. You head over to your sky replacement settings. You increase the opacity, you can change the colors to what you want, you can tweak it to what you want.